Welcome back to the Lone Ranger Radio Show. You got Bruce Woodburn, Cross Country Mortgage. Yes, I am the Lone Ranger. Been lending for homes to buy and refinance and debt consolidation for 36 years. I've been teaching classes all over the country. And I don't say this to brag, but I'm top 1% producer in the entire country. And again, I don't say that to brag because I work hard at it. But I've worked hard to make sure that my clients know that they have an advocate here for them. So I want to talk about other advocates that are in our lives. So right now, I want to speak to people primarily that may be CPAs or financial planners. Okay. So I want to talk about something that's really important. I've got a question for all you CPAs out there. How many times have you told your self-employed client to maximize every legitimate deduction to save thousands in tax dollars, only to have the mortgage lender tell you that they don't make enough money to qualify? It happens all the time. It happens all the time. This is a broken system. So, CPA, you did your job. You saved your clients money. The lender punished them for it. That should never happen. That's where I come in. Our 12-month bank statement program allows many self-employed borrowers to qualify using cash flowing through their business instead of relying solely on their taxable income reported on their tax return. That means that your client may be able to continue to take legitimate tax deductions. You can continue to reduce their tax liability and potentially qualify for a mortgage using business cash flow, and then everyone wins. I don't want your clients paying more taxes just to justify getting a mortgage. They shouldn't have to be extorted like that. Now, let me talk to the financial planners now. So forget CPAs. CPAs, if you're a CPA, you should call, set an appointment with me. I'll show you how to help more of your clients, and we'll win all the way around. You'll win, I'll win, and your clients will win. Now, financial planners, I want to speak to you. Now, let me talk to you about your job is helping clients build wealth, right? That's really what your job is. Not liquidate it. How can you help them build wealth when the mortgage guy is going, you need to put more money down? Okay. You're looking at them going, oh my God, that's less money I can work with. That's less money I'm going to make them. So I hate the idea of taking thousands or tens of thousands or $100,000 out of the market for a down payment. So guess what? I don't like it. You don't like it. So instead, let's look at lower down payments, keeping the investment working, preserving liquidity, and leveraging today's historical attractive long-term financing. It's available. Rates are not that bad, and you can put less money down and have more success, and your financial planner will continue to make your wealth. Now, if your financial planner's not making you at least what S&P 500 is making, you need to get rid of them and let's find somebody else. If your financial planner is shoving products down your throat and you don't really feel like they have your best interest, then let me know. I can connect you with great financial planners in your area. Same with CPAs. But if you're a CPA or a financial planner, wouldn't you like to have a financial expert like myself on your team that helps you help your client more? I'm telling you, it's right here. Now I want to speak to you retirees, and this is still for CPAs and financial planners. By the way, write my phone number down, 813-213-4009. That's 813-213-4009, or webringyouhome.com. Okay. Now, retirees, you're sitting on $2-3 million. I don't know, maybe not that much, maybe 500,000. Doesn't make any difference. You're sitting on assets, but your income is just Social Security, maybe a small pension. You want to buy a home, but your income doesn't qualify for it, but you got money in the bank. Now, do you want to deplete that money in the bank in order to buy the home to get your payment where you want it? Or do you want to keep that money in the bank with your financial planner working for you? I know what I want to do. I don't want to pull money out of the market. I want to keep my money in the market as long as I can. I will rely on my real estate to make me money and appreciation. And right now, that is a prime time to get into real estate. It's relatively flat. It's going to get better. This is a perfect time to buy. Keep your money in the bank. Let your financial planner to continue to work with it. All you financial planners, I want you to write this date down. I'm going to do a class just for you on July 9th, and it'll be a lunch and learn. You can go grab lunch, sit on your computer at your desk, and I'm going to spend an hour with you, CPAs and financial planners, showing you how to be a better servant to your client. And I know you already are. I'm not trying to insult you. I'm just trying to tell you that we can do better. We can do better. Together, I will help you keep more of their money in the market. And I'll show your retired people how they don't have to deplete all their assets in order to qualify. It's a great opportunity. High net worth shouldn't be low opportunity. So, all of you investment advisors, let's work together. You help your client, we'll help them grow wealth. I can help them keep more of your money invested. So, you need you don't need to always have to have 30% down. You can explore 5%, 10%, 15% down. This will help you keep more money in the bank. So stop thinking of me as a mortgage lender and think of me as another professional on your client's advisory team. That's what I do. You handle the taxes, you handle the investment, you handle the estate planning, you handle the retirement. I'll handle the mortgage strategy. Together, we can help more clients. 813-213-4009 or webringyouhome.com. Again, you need a good financial planner, I can connect you with one. You need a good CPA, I can connect you with one. CPAs and financial planners, I guarantee you I can be a huge advocate for you. Huge advocate for you. But I will always do the right thing. Always do the right thing. My name's Bruce Woodburn, and I'm the Lone Ranger. You can reach me at 813-213-4009 or webringyouhome.com. Thinking about buying a home, selling a home? How do you choose the right real estate agent? How do you know? How do you know who to choose? You could always choose your boss's wife because she sells real estate part-time. You could choose the lady who's got the sign in the yard down the street because she's got a sign in the yard down the street. But who's really fighting for you? Who's fighting for you? I can tell you this much right now. Most of you, you're not doing very good at picking your real estate agent. You're not. You're picking people you like, and they're very nice and they're very kind. And some of them are very capable about putting you on a search and letting you know when a home's available and even finding a good home for you. Where things fall apart is in the negotiation. I find that most people today are weak negotiators. The seller said they wouldn't come down anymore. So this is all we're going to get. Oh my God. How many times have I heard that? So what I did is I thought I'm going to save my clients from themselves and I'm going to help them find a great real estate agent in the area that they choose to buy or sell in. How can I do that? I know whose production is the best. I know who negotiates the best. I know who returns phone calls the best. I know who that advises my clients when not to buy something when they think they should. These are the people I'll connect you with. These are the people that not only will be the best to help you buy or sell a home, but they, for my referral. And by the way, if you're a buyer, I do not refer you to a real estate agent until you're 100% fully approved through me. 100% fully approved. And I'm going to tell you why. I refer you to an agent. That agent is going to be positioned like you're a cash buyer. If I don't have you fully approved, how can they negotiate with you like you're a cash buyer? You hadn't sent in your bank statements, your W-2s, your divorce decree. If it's not there, I'm not referring you. I'm going to refer you when you are a cash buyer. You're not a cash buyer, but I'm going to make you look like one. Now, real estate agents, these are fully approved clients, fully approved. Last year, I referred over 100 fully approved clients to real estate agents throughout the state of Florida and several out of state as well. So here's the thing. That real estate agent will then contribute up to 25% of their commission, up to $10,000 back to you, my buyer or seller. You got it. That's money in your pocket. I will also instruct them to you that need more closing costs paid by the seller. I want close. I'm big on seller paid closing costs. I'd rather get 20 grand in closing costs from a seller than reduce my purchase price by 20 grand any day of the week. And that goes back to you CPAs and financial planners. This is another strategy. It keeps your client from pulling so much money out of the market. These are just one of several different techniques that I have to keep clients' money working. 813 213 4009. 813 213 4009 or webringyouhome.com. I'm the Lone Arranger because I'm arranging for you to get a mortgage, but you to save money and make sure you have the right advice. Clients do not come to me and leave in a meeting with me going, I wonder what my payments are going to be. I wonder what interest rate would be for me right now. I wonder how much cash to close. I wonder if I need to sell my house. How much do I have to pull out of my bank? You don't have those questions when you leave me, folks. You have all the questions answered. That's why I do personal consultations with each and every one of you. Yes, you're going to start. My team's going to gather your docs. I'm not in here to gather your pay stubs and bank statements. My team will do that. Once you've given them everything, I meet with you and I strategize with you. I don't need to look at your bank statement. My team will tell me if the bank statement's enough, how much you got in the bank, how much you can put down. And then we come to an agreement on what it is you want. I always want to know what's important to you. I want this payment. I want this much money out of pocket. I listen to my clients. Then we come up with the perfect strategy. So allow me to connect you with a real estate agent because you're not doing a very good job. And when you pick your own agent, and I've got several clients that pick their own agent and I'm watching money get left on the table, I can't say anything to you. I can't tell you. You picked them. I didn't pick them. Let me pick them. I can control the situation from start to finish. And by God, I'm telling you, when you use me for your financing and I've sent you to that right realtor, you're going to win. You're going to win. You're going to win. 813-213-4009 or webringyouhome.com. So here's another thing. I have clients that are struggling maybe to come up with a little bit of down payment. I want to tell you about a down payment assistance program I have, and you don't have to be a first-time home buyer, but it is an FHA loan. That means 3.5% down. I will get you up to 5%. So let's just say $400,000 house, $20,000 in down payment assistance, get you up to 5%. I will get you solar panels on your home. I will add the solar panels to the mortgage, no second liens, none of that shenanigans that these solar companies do. And then as soon as the solar panels are installed, I will forgive the down payment assistance that I give you. Forgive it. It's done. This is a special FHA program that Cross Country is doing to help beat affordability. You get your solar panels, you get down payment assistance, and it's forgiven. You get no second liens. You don't have to worry about refinancing and having the solar panel company hold you hostage. None of that business, folks. You call me now. I will show you how to get that money. And real estate agents, builders, you should be using this program. I got this program for you. You should be using it. You'll sell more houses and help more people. 813-213-4009. That's 813-213-4009 or webringyouhome.com. All right. I want to recap a few things because I only got a minute here. So financial planners and CPAs, I'm going to do a class on July 9th. It'll be a lunch and learn. It'll be Zoom. You can get on there and you can eat your Chick-fil-A sandwich. And I'm going to show you how to help more of your clients as a mortgage professional, financial advisor from my end. I'm going to help you keep your clients' money in your hands so that they're not spending so much money to put down on a house and then you don't have enough money to invest in the market. CPAs, I want you to find all the tax deductions you can get. I'm not going to be the mortgage guy that calls you up and says, yeah, you screwed it up and you wrote everything off. I got the programs for you. I got the programs. You can keep your money in your pocket. Okay. We talked about interest rates. There's threats that the Fed's going to raise the Fed rate. I don't see it happening anytime soon, but if you're waiting for rates to drop, forget it. I don't think it's going to happen. You're going to hover between 6 and 7%. That's probably where you're going to end up. 6.5% is about the national average right now. So live with it. It's okay. It's a great rate. It's 1% lower than the national average over the last 50 years. Don't worry about it. Call the loan arranger. Let's stop letting obstacles get in our way, and let's let success lead the path. 813-213-4009. That's 813-213-4009. We bring you home.com. God bless each and every one of you. I come from sincerity. I promise you, you'll always get the best of me. Have a great day.